Perks, he's made a promise and he's sworn on the Constitution of India not once, multiple times, Tina. Not just as a minister at the centre or Minister of Renewable Energy in the Manmohan Singh government, but as Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir multiple times. His son Omar Abdullah under the Vajpayee government was Minister of State for External Affairs, sworn to the Constitution of India to protect it and to uphold it. And these are the people today for votes, for getting back to some political semblance in Jammu and Kashmir, have joined the Azadi League and he's doing it brazenly. I don't know what can be done to somebody who's a former union minister who's sworn on the Constitution. Can this be called breach of privilege, and can this person be pulled up for treason? Because that's what Omar Farooq Abdullah has openly done. On this platform, he's talking about Kashmir. He's backing terrorism. He's backing terrorists who pick up guns and he's justifying it, saying they're doing it for Kashmir. And the very army which owes allegiance to India, on whose constitution that he has taken multiple oaths, Tina.
Okay, Anand, stay on with me. Anand, stay on with me, and coming across to you and Farid. But we have Mr. Sat Sharma of the BJP with us now on the phone. Mr. Sharma, what do you say to these words that have come from Farooq Abdullah, where he has not only said that bullets cannot be the answer to bullets, but he has in fact gone ahead and incited violence by saying that the youth of Kashmir are not scared of bullets and they will do whatever is required for the independence and the freedom of their nation? Is he not in fact actively inciting terror and violence?
सबसे पहले तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला को हमेशा से टीवी पे रहने की आदत बन चुकी है। उन्हें पता नहीं चलता, कभी वो हुर्रियत के फेवर में बयान देते हैं, कभी वो हुर्रियत के विरुद्ध बयान देते हैं, कभी वो देश के फेवर में बयान देते हैं और कभी वो देश के विरुद्ध बयान देते हैं। हमेशा से उनकी यही टेंडेंसी रही है। और खास तौर पे एक ऐसा इंसान जो who has been sitting at the helm of affairs in the state as well as in the center, and he's telling such things. I think such people must be taken to the task. Whatever best can be done by the court.
He is legitimizing violence. He is literally legitimizing terrorism and violence. It is absolutely shocking. Stay on with me, Mr.